Hello. Today I'd like to showcase my mod, Ashlander Architect, and show you how to use it. This mod allows you to build new buildings, settlements, and furniture. It's in very early development, but I would like your feedback. Currently, things do not have a cost to build. Later on, they will have a resource cost. You can enter building mode with either a controller or a keyboard. On an Xbox-style controller, you must hold the back button. On the keyboard, you hit the B button. With your building mode open, you will see a list of options at the bottom, a window at the top left with keybinds, and at the top right, information about your current settings and selected object. If you use the D-pad and arrow keys, you can select a category and a subcategory. Let's put down a foundation and some floors. Buildings like this foundation are set up to use a grid, so for the time being, they're locked to 90-degree rotations. If we hold down the left control button, we can adjust the vertical location of the platform with its scroll button. And now that we've placed our first object, it is locked to the grid. And we have that first item we place set as the grid reference object. And we will keep placing more down. And to make it a little easier, I'm going to hit the G key, which will lock the vertical location so that any object I place down will be forced to that location. All right, and now we have our platform mostly built. We can add on some decorations and furniture. Let's remove our G locked or our vertical location lock. Go back to the furniture and let's put down some carpet. And we can raise that up a little bit if it's clipping a little bit. Let's put down some containers. We can rotate objects with the scroll wheel. Right now, controller, and we can do this with controllers as well. If you hit a controller button, it'll automatically switch to controller mode. And really, controllers are a little bit smoother for the moment, which I will fix later on. I mean, not make controllers worse, but keyboard better. And you can put down whatever you like in this menu. Everything is free for the moment, like I said. All right, and we can turn this into a settlement if we go down here and to create a marker. And then we need to open our inventory. Have to exit the B window and select it. Let's call it Ocean Point. And now if we look at it, we have to do it again. Ocean Point. Now it's correct. It says Ocean Point. And we can put down a building as well. There's all types of buildings. There will be more coming in the future, but for now these are what you get. And if you create one, it will automatically be named Ocean Point Vilafi Small House. If you hold down Control and activate it, or Sneak, you can rename it to say what you want. So Ocean Point Ranis's house. Right now, building is the main feature of the mod. I am working to add settlers, however, like in Fallout 4. You can't normally get these yet. They don't have a spawning mechanic, but you can force them in with the console. If you just select the settlement marker of your console and you type in Lua Settler, it will spawn in an NPC. And if you talk to them, they will allow you to transfer objects to and from their inventories. So now they are part of the settler settlement, so I can right-click them and I can order them around. If I have them selected as an object, I can't just pick them up, but I can order them to go do stuff. I can order them to go into the building there. Sometimes it takes a minute for them to pick up their new package, their new AI package. Once she gets close to the door, she will go in. Well, she's supposed to anyways, and that's something that's worked before, so that's why that's not really released yet. But you can also create a silt strider like this. We can make a silt strider port. We'll just kind of clip it in there. And we will make a marker. Go into markers and then Caravaneer, which is the silt strider driver. And we can pick her up or select her. And we can order her to go to that job block. And now she is a Caravaneer. And we can add a destination. So we want to have her go to Balmora. And now we can talk to her. Well, we need to come back out and then go to travel. Yep. So, like I said, not done yet. Travel, Aldrun. And then we can talk to him. And he will, after we have a little override set, we can go back to our original destination, Ocean Point. So, please let me know what you think of this mod. Try it out. Obviously, there's going to be some problems for now, but I want to see what people think. Thanks so much. Have a good day.